evening, everyone. This is Darshna Pratik Gadia, and I would like to give a feedback on the online workshop training which was conducted on metagenomics. This online metagenomics training was based on the analysis in the 16S rRNA amplicon sequencing data analysis. This workshop found very informative to me and for my further research as well. This hands-on training given by Pratik sir was highly specific and precise to cover all the topics as possible during the online 3-day workshop. I found this workshop very informative and I would like to further use this online software for the further analysis of my research. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Safa Salim. I'm a second year PhD student at Hamad bin Khalifa University, Qatar. My thesis involves studying the role of the gut microbiome in Parkinson's disease. I attended the 3-day online training in metagenomics analysis, specifically the 16S rRNA sequencing analysis. The training was very well planned and organized and had a suitable flow. I think conducting the experiment along with the instructor on Galaxy really helped me to familiarize with the tool and learn the basics. I believe that with more practice using the notes obtained from the training, I will be able to apply the knowledge gained into my own research data. So thank you BDG for organizing the training, and I would definitely recommend it to students who want to get insight into metagenomics analysis.
Hello, my name is Sunil Chaudhary and I am from Dayananda Sagar University. I have done BSc in Life Science and I have taken 2-day online workshop in biodiscovery group training, and it was through online mode Skype chat, and it was a very good experience for me, and this helped me a lot. It was an antibiotic resistant gene detection nanopore technique, and like these steps are given in the chat so that you can just copy paste the chat and save it as a PDF and use whenever you need, even after the experiment has done, so that you can repeat the experiment even like the workshop is done. So this is very a unique idea and I just like that. Thank you.
Good evening. I am Sikha Mandal, completed my MSc in Botany. I recently participated in the 3-day workshop on metagenomics. Workshop is very well structured with introduction about the subject and with research avenue and practical session using Galaxy Australia. I personally quite benefited by attend the workshop and like the approach of the trainer. The workshop was very informative. Thank you.